When your mind feels busy and thoughts seem to pull you in every direction, this is a gentle practice that can help you bring you back to the present moment. It can be used anywhere, while walking, commuting, sitting quietly at home. It doesn't need to be serious. You can even treat it like a small game of noticing. The intention is simple: to reconnect with yourself and to gently regulate your emotions. This is a grounding exercise using the 5 senses. So let's begin. First, if you look around, what can you see? Look for something you haven't noticed before. A shape, a color, a small detail in your environment. Next, what can you hear? Is it a bird chirping? The wind moving through the trees? What are the distant sounds around you? Simply name what you hear. Now, what can you taste? If you're eating or drinking something, take a moment to notice the flavor. Is it warm or cool? Strong or subtle? What do you notice? What can you touch? Your feet meeting the ground? The texture of your clothing? Your toes wiggling in your shoe as you walk? The air against your skin? Stay with the sensations that you feel. And finally, what can you smell? Is it something pleasant or something unfamiliar? Whatever it is, simply notice it. This practice isn't about changing your experience or forcing calm. It's about naming what's here, moment by moment, without judgment. As you practice noticing and naming, you may find it easier to stay present, to develop greater self-awareness, and to feel more grounded in your day. Return to this exercise whenever your mind feels busy. One moment, one breath, right here. There's nothing more that you need to do. Simply carry this sense of presence with you into whatever comes next.